أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our madrasa course, and today it's turn of chapter 18, that's cleanliness. An-nazafa. An-nazafa. Brush your teeth regularly. Allah has given you a set of teeth covered with a hard, white, shiny substance called enamel. The bones into which the teeth are fixed are covered with a firm pink flesh called the gum. The enamel is the hardest part, and it's quite shiny too. And the gums hold the teeth. A lot of tooth decay is caused by the food you eat, which has sugar added to them to make it sweet. And also sometimes it's also caused by the sticky things or something which is stuck between our teeth. So that would cause the tooth decay. After you have eaten something sweet, its sticky substance is left on your teeth. The tiny living things called bacteria which live in your mouth begin to feed on the substance. They form a harmful substance called plaque on your teeth, and the teeth begins to decay. So the bacteria begin attacking your teeth and cause a lot of damage due to the sticky or sweet or tiny particles that are stuck to the teeth. If the teeth are very badly decayed, you may have to have them out, but the dentist will try to save them if possible. You can stop yourself from getting tooth decay by looking after your teeth regularly. You must brush your teeth at least twice a day, in the morning and before you go to bed. Brushing your teeth helps to remove plaque and to keep your gums healthy. It also gets rid of the tiny pieces of food that are stuck between your teeth, keeps your mouth fresh, and stops you from getting bad breath. So these are the things that can be avoided by the use of brush at least twice a day. You may use toothpaste which contains a substance called fluoride that helps prevent tooth decay. There are other toothpaste also available which are the gels. They have less of fluoride, but fluoride is important for our teeth. So you need to use toothpastes which contain fluoride. Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to clean his teeth regularly with a siwak. So we learned this even in our previous chapter. That is, I think when we talked about wudu, when we learned about wudu, that is when we learned about siwak as well. When Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam got up from sleep, he would clean his mouth with the stick. Using the siwak is a sunnah. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, siwak cleans the mouth and is pleasing to the Lord. This is from Ahmad and Tirmidhi. All right, there we have the importance of siwak. And siwak also, when used during wudu, it brings the wudu to a higher level, and of course it carries lots of rewards as well. And because you would be feeling fresh, your salah or your zikr or your recitation will also go on well. And you all know that the angels hear our recitation of the Quran, so it is always good to keep our mouth clean and smelling fresh when we are reading the words of Allah or reciting the words of Allah. All right, moving ahead, wash your body once a day. When you get hot, do hard work or exercise, your body sweats. This would also include playing around, or when you go to the school and you have physical education class, you run around, you move around a lot. That is when your body sweats a lot. Sweating actually, it's good for our health. It helps your body to keep the right temperature. So your underarms are likely to sweat heavily during a hot day, and when that happens, bacteria grows. Sweating, yes, it is good for our body because it helps in keeping the right temperature of our body. But the other disadvantage of that is that it is uh, what do we say, a place for the bacteria. So it's the bacteria mixing with the sweat that causes your body to smell. So you need to wash your underarms every day to get rid of the smell of sweat. A good wash is usually enough to keep you sweet smelling. Um, Many a times we see people, if they are smelling bad, they just uh, drown themselves in the perfume. But yes, a good wash is much, much better than that. Just uh, going for a very quick wash would help a lot. So keep your clothes clean. A clean body will soon get smelly if you do not keep your clothes clean. Try to change the clothes that you wear close to your skin every day. That would include your undergarments. Always make sure you should wash your hands properly before you eat, after you have used the toilet, and whenever they become dirty. So washing of hands is also being included here to keep the hands clean while they are dirty, as well as while the washroom is used. Moving ahead, look after your hair. You should comb and brush your hair every day. It is important to use a suitable comb with good teeth. So that would also give a slight massage to your scalp, and that would include improve the blood circulation. Combing and improves blood circulation. So hair gets dirty very quickly, so you should wash your hair at least once a week. So this will get rid of the dirt. It will also get the oiliness, getting rid of the grease, yes. So which would otherwise cause a lot of hair problems like dandruff. Dandruff can be flaky or powdery as well. So that is a big headache once we develop dandruff. And then we have split ends. Then we have dirty hair, uncombed hair. So it's important to take care of our hair as well. Regular brushing or combing and washing of hair helps protect you against lice. Regular brushing or combing and washing of hair helps protect you against lice. Head lice are small insects which live in the hair. By looking after your hair, you will help protect yourself against lice. So these small insects, they actually suck blood through our scalp, and it's quite itchy as well. So regular brushing would protect your hair from all these things, regular brushing and washing. Once Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw a man with unkempt hair, and he said, "Doesn't this man have anything to make his hair tidy?" That is from Abu Dawood. So it is also from the Sunnah. And we all know that when we keep ourselves clean and stay away from being dirty, that is when we also feel clean ourselves, and helps us protect from many other unwanted things like diseases and infections. So this all is natural, and it is also a part of Islam to stay clean. So going ahead with the exercises, answer the following questions. Why do you have teeth decay? Why do teeth decay? Why do teeth decay? When, of course, when we don't keep our teeth in good condition or ignore making it clean. It happens when the decay happens when any sweet or a sticky substance or any food, tiny food particle is uh, between our teeth or gets stuck to our teeth. That is when the bacteria begin to live on it, and they develop plaque around our teeth, and slowly they damage the teeth, and that is when the teeth decay begins. Second one, write a few lines on how you can take care of your teeth. Okay, that would be by um, brushing twice a day. That is once in the morning and before going to sleep. But in between two, we can also use mouthwash. We can keep gargling if we are uncomfortable using mouthwash. We can use Siwak. So these are the things which can be used to take care of our teeth. Third one, what is the Siwak? What is the importance of using it? So Siwak is a twig. It is a small stick from uh, um, from one of the trees. What is its importance? Its importance is that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to use the siwak to clean his teeth, and it has become a sunnah. All right, fourth one, how often should one take a bath and why? Um, it obviously depends on the weather conditions. It depends on our cleanliness or hygiene routine. But yes, it is advisable to take bath at least once in a day, or if that's not possible, at least 2 to 3 times a week. That's because we can keep ourselves clean and protect ourselves from many other infections. And cleanliness is part of faith. So that is why we should be taking bath. Fifth one, what are the Prophet's thoughts on the tea hair? Well, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not like anyone being unkempt, and even if it is having uncombed hair or dirty hair, he did not like it. And he had exclaimed that while seeing a man with an unkempt hair, that doesn't this man have anything to make his hair tidy? That means that what is stopping this man from keeping his hair clean? That is what the Prophet ﷺ was thinking or saying or meaning to say while he looked at that man. Moving ahead, part B, are these statements true or false? First one, it's okay not to brush one's teeth regularly. Absolutely false. Second one, cleanliness is good for you. Yes, true. Third one, Islam encourages cleanliness. Yes, true. Think up. That's part C. Why do you think so much importance is given to cleanliness of teeth, body, and hair in Islam? All right. Um, teeth, body, and hair. So, our teeth is something which we use regularly. It is a part of our mouth. Um, while speaking, while in salah, while in recitation of the Quran, so our mouth should be smelling good. And secondly, it is the same with our body. We ourselves, first of all, should be feeling fresh and clean. And the people around us should be comfortable being seated or finding themselves welcome to speak to us or sitting beside us. And hair, also having clean body and a clean face and unkempt hair is not at all attractive, is not at all pleasant even to look at. And cleanliness is a part of our faith, and that is why there so much importance is given to the cleanliness of teeth, body, and hair. All right, activity, try to get a siwak and use it before you do wudu. So if you can see in the picture, those two sticks, these two twigs are the siwak. We can just bite it, and this hard outer cover, the brown cover, it comes off, and we can just throw that away. And this part, the inner part is slightly lighter. It's somewhat off-white in color. So that also has some strands which act like the bristles of a brush. So this was used as a toothbrush in those days. So this is the siwak. All right, that ends the chapter. Jazakallah khair. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.